Okay, so this video is to introduce you to Anjali Blue's fashion for her Barbie. Here we go. Alright, Mommy, let me see her. Where is she? Where's Barbie?
Right here.
Okay. Oh, beautiful gown. Tell me what you did. What did you do?
Okay, I styled it.
Yeah.
Let me show you how I take it off.
Well, you don't have to take it off. No, don't take it off. Just tell me how you did it. Because if you take it off, I can't really see how beautiful it is. I want to bring it in close. See the bow that you made. Gorgeous, Mommy Puka. Slow. Okay. Little dress. Got the little ruching in the back.
Look at this.
Let me see. Cover her boobies.
This side.
Beautiful dress, Mama. You did a wonderful job.
How can you wear this? It's so perfect. Oh. This. You didn't do it. Once you take off this,
No.
there's another dress.
Oh, once you take it off, there's another dress. Ah, it's versatile.
You could take it off anytime you want. Anytime you want. You could leave it right here or release it. See, look at that.
She's gorgeous, Mommy.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, like my baby.
You do it. You take the dress off and there's another dress. That's how my fashion is. Fashion. Fly, fly, fly. So it's beautiful. Girly. And you can make this. It's so life. Once he goes walking off.
Thank you, Anjali Blue. That was beautiful. So,
Go here. Then go here. Right here. But you imagine how a perfect straight doll that could walk to Broadway. You could release it so. The Broadway is a perfect place for her. Even she could turn around. How gorgeous she is.
thank you, Mommy.
Even this
Say bye-bye.
style. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.